Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, how are you today?
I hope you are having a good day.
Today we have a very special topic.
Yes, today we talk about how to think fast and speak smart.
Ooh, I like this topic. I need this every day, David.
Really? Why?
Because sometimes someone asks me a question and my brain says, wait, give me 5 minutes.
Yes, I know this feeling too. Sometimes my brain is slow, but my mouth is even slower.
Ha, that's funny, but true.
So today, we will learn simple ways to think fast and speak smart in English.
This is perfect for beginners. Don't worry, we will go slow.
Yes, very slow, very clear, just like always.
Before we start, please click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel if you are new here.
It helps us make more videos for you.
Okay, let's start.
Let's go.
Alice, let me ask you something first.
Okay, go ahead.
What does think fast mean?
I think it means you can think quickly, not slow.
Yes, that's right. Think fast means your brain works quickly.
And speak smart?
Speak smart means you choose good words, simple words, clear words.
Ah, I understand now. So, think fast, speak smart means
You think quickly and you speak clearly.
that sounds difficult.
It sounds difficult, but it's not. We will learn easy tricks today.
Good. I need easy tricks. I don't need difficult tricks.
Don't worry, everything today is simple.
Okay, let's repeat this phrase together. Everyone, repeat with us.
Think fast.
Think fast.
Speak smart.
Speak smart.
Good. One more time, slowly.
Think fast. Speak smart.
Perfect.
David, why is this important for English learners?
Great question. Let me explain.
Okay, I'm listening.
Imagine this. You are at a coffee shop.
Okay, I imagine it. I like coffee.
Of course you do. So the waiter asks you, what would you like to drink?
Oh no, sometimes I don't know how to answer fast.
Exactly. This happens to many learners. They know the words, but their brain is slow.
Yes, I know the word coffee, but sometimes I say, coffee, please?
That's very normal. Don't worry.
Is it normal? Really?
Yes, even native speakers sometimes say and
Oh, that makes me feel better.
See, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear.
Okay, so today we learn how to answer faster, right?
Yes, and how to speak with more confidence.
I love that word, confidence.
Let's repeat it together. Confidence.
Confidence.
One more time.
Confidence.
Great job. Okay, Alice, let's talk about trick number 1.
Yes, what is it?
Use short sentences.
Short sentences? Why?
Because short sentences are easy to think of and easy to say.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, instead of saying a long sentence like, I was thinking that maybe later today, if it's not too much trouble, we could possibly go to the store.
Wow, that's a long sentence.
Yes, too long. Instead, just say, let's go to the store later.
Oh, that's much easier.
Yes, short and clear.
Let's practice. David, do you want to eat pizza tonight?
Yes, I want pizza. Let's eat pizza tonight.
Short and simple.
Exactly. Now you try, Alice. Ask me a question with a short sentence.
Okay, do you like tea or coffee?
I like coffee. I don't like tea much.
Good answer. Fast and clear.
See, it's not difficult when you use short sentences.
I understand now. Short sentences help us think fast.
Yes, and they help listeners understand us better too.
Let's repeat this key phrase. Keep it short and simple.
Keep it short and simple.
One more time, everyone. Repeat with us.
Keep it short and simple.
David, I have a problem.
What problem?
Sometimes I think in my language first, then I translate to English. It's so slow.
Ah, yes, this is a very common problem.
How can I fix it?
Trick number 2. Try to think directly in English.
But how? It's hard.
I know, it's hard at first, but you can practice with simple things.
Like what?
For example, when you see a cup, don't think of your language's word first. Think cup directly.
Oh, I see. Just connect the picture to the English word.
Exactly. No translation. Just picture, then English word.
That's a great tip.
Let's practice together. I will say a word and you say the first English word in your mind. Ready?
Ready.
Sunday.
Sun. Easy.
Water.
Water.
Good job. You didn't translate. You thought directly.
Yes, this is a good exercise.
Practice this every day with simple objects around your house.
Like chair, table, door, window.
Yes, all simple, all useful.
Let's repeat the key phrase. Think in English, don't translate.
Think in English. Don't translate.
One more time, slowly.
Think in English. Don't translate.
Great! I will practice this every day.
Okay, trick number 3 is my favorite.
What is it?
Learn ready-made phrases.
Ready-made? Like ready-made food?
Yes, exactly like that. Ready-made food is fast to eat. Ready-made phrases are fast to say.
Oh, I understand. Give me an example.
Sure. Instead of building a new sentence every time, you can use phrases like, I think, or, in my opinion, or, that sounds good.
Oh, I use that sounds good all the time.
See? You already use this trick.
Really? I didn't know it was a trick.
Yes, when someone invites you somewhere, you don't need a new sentence. You just say,
That sounds good.
perfect, fast, and smart.
What about when someone asks my opinion?
You can say, I think, and then finish your idea.
Like, I think pizza is better than pasta.
Strong opinion, but yes, perfect example.
What other phrases can we use?
Can you repeat that, please? This is very useful when you don't understand.
Oh, yes, I use this phrase every day.
I'm not sure, but this is good when you want to answer, but you are not 100% sure.
I like that one. It's honest and simple.
Exactly. These phrases are like tools in a toolbox. When you need them, you just take them out.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Let's repeat some key phrases together, slowly.
Okay, let's go.
I think.
I think.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these phrases.
David, what if my brain just stops? Like completely stops?
You mean like a computer freezing?
Yes, exactly like that.
Don't worry, this happens to everyone, even in our first language.
Really?
Yes, the trick is pause, don't panic.
Pause. Don't panic. I like that.
When your brain stops, don't panic. Just take a small pause.
How do I pause naturally? It feels awkward.
You can use small words like, well, or let me think, or
Oh, like, well, let me think about that.
Exactly. This gives your brain time, and it sounds natural too.
That's smart. It doesn't sound like a mistake.
Right. Native speakers do this all the time.
Let's practice. David, what is your favorite season?
Let me think. I think I like autumn the most.
See, that sounded very natural.
Thank you. Now you try, Alice. What is your favorite color?
Well, let me think. I really like blue.
Perfect. You paused, but it sounded smooth, not nervous.
I feel more confident already.
That's the goal. Let's repeat the key phrase.
Pause, don't panic.
Pause, don't panic.
One more time, slowly, everyone.
Pause, don't panic. Alice, do you know the fastest way to improve speaking?
Study grammar books?
No, actually, practice speaking out loud every day.
Even alone? Like talking to myself?
Yes, even alone. It's not strange, it's smart.
Okay, if you say so.
You can talk about your day. Today, I woke up. I made breakfast. I ate eggs.
That's so simple.
Yes, simple is good. You are training your mouth and brain to work together fast.
Like exercise, but for speaking.
Exactly. Speaking is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
I never thought about it that way.
Try this. While cooking, describe what you are doing. I am cutting the onion. I am adding salt.
Oh, that's a great idea for our viewers. Many of you listen while cooking.
Yes, so now you can practice speaking while you cook too.
Two things at one time, smart and fast.
Exactly. Let's repeat the key phrase.
Practice out loud every day.
Practice out loud every day.
One more time, slowly.
Practice out loud every day. Now let's practice everything together with real situations.
Yes, I love practice time.
Situation 1. Someone asks you, "How was your weekend?"
Let me try. My weekend was good. I visited my family. We ate dinner together.
Excellent. Short sentences, clear answer, no long pause.
Thank you. Now you try, David. Situation 2. Someone asks, what do you do for work?
I work in an office. I help customers. It's a busy job, but I enjoy it.
Great answer. Fast and smart.
Let's do one more. Situation 3. Your friend asks, "Do you want to watch a movie tonight?"
That sounds good. What movie do you want to watch?
Perfect. You used a ready-made phrase and you answered fast.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. You are learning very well.
What about a difficult situation, like a job interview?
Good idea. Situation 4. The interviewer asks, "Why do you want this job?"
Let me think. I want this job because I enjoy learning new things and I like helping people.
Wonderful answer. You paused naturally, then gave a clear reason.
I didn't panic. I just paused.
Exactly. You are using all the tricks together now.
This feels amazing.
Now it's your turn, dear viewers.
Yes, pause the video and try to answer these questions out loud.
Question 1. What is your favorite food?
Question 2. What did you do this morning?
Question 3. What is one thing you want to learn this year?
Take your time. Remember, pause, don't panic.
Use short sentences. Keep it simple.
You can do this.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, I make mistakes every day and I'm still learning.
We both do. It's completely normal.
The important thing is keep speaking, keep practicing.
Yes, speaking a little every day is better than speaking a lot one time a month.
That's very true.
Okay, Alice, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's review the 5 tricks.
Trick number 1.
Keep it short and simple.
Trick number 2.
Think in English, don't translate.
Trick number 3.
Learn ready-made phrases.
Trick number 4.
Pause, don't panic.
And trick number 5.
Practice out loud every day.
Excellent! You remembered everything.
Of course, we repeated it many times.
That's the trick. Repetition helps memory.
Let's repeat all 5 tricks one more time, together, slowly for our viewers.
Okay, let's go.
Keep it short and simple.
Think in English. Don't translate.
Learn ready-made phrases.
Pause. Don't panic.
Practice out loud every day.
Perfect. Now you know 5 simple tricks to think fast and speak smart.
I feel much more confident now.
Me too. And remember, everyone, this takes practice. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, every day a little practice, and soon you will see big changes.
Thank you so much for watching today, friends.
We hope this video helps you speak English with more confidence.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one English phrase you want to use every day?
It can be simple like, "That sounds good," or anything you like.
We really want to know. Write it in the comments below.
We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
See you in the next video, friends.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye.